Alright, we're at Conde de Casal, metro station in Madrid, and we've got an elevator here. That indicator looks like Otis. Yeah, it's an Otis. It's a little messy on the inside. Nothing too special. There's your indicator, typical Metro PI. Just your basic Madrid Metro elevator. Here are your Schaefer buttons, got a pic of that. I guess the zero button's burnt out, or not, you just need to kind of mash it. Nothing too crazy. Just your basic Madrid Metro elevator. We're going to send it down. I want to see if we can see the MRL number, because I believe this is a Gen2. Look. It should be... Yeah, look. There it is. Oh, sorry.